Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to move your Bitcoin from one exchange to another for better trading opportunities. Today, I'm walking you through a complete guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Bybit. This process is straightforward, but always remember that crypto transactions are irreversible, so we'll double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Bybit. You'll also need some Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet and two-factor authentication enabled on both platforms for security. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and select your Bitcoin wallet from the assets list. Step 2. On Bybit, log in and go to the deposit section. Choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency, and make sure you're on the correct network, typically Bitcoin's native network, which is BTC. Copy the deposit address provided by Bybit. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, click on the Send or Withdraw button for your Bitcoin. Paste the Bybit deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check this address to avoid any mistakes. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive and errors can lead to permanent loss. Step 4. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Review the transaction details carefully. Step 5. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify via email, SMS, or 2FA. Once approved, your Bitcoin will be sent to the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions. Step 6. Jump back to Bybit and check your deposit history to confirm the arrival of your Bitcoin. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip. Always use the official apps or websites to avoid phishing scams, and consider the current market volatility before making transfers. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Bybit in 2025. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space, and I'll see you in the next video.